U.S. aircraft mechanics have completed a unique project to restore and assemble an F-35A fighter jet from two damaged aircraft, and it is now ready to return to service. This is the first instance where technicians have successfully assembled a functional F-35 using parts from two different planes. One aircraft was damaged in 2020 due to a landing gear failure during a landing, while the other was damaged in 2014 by an engine fire at a military base in Florida. The ambitious project, named Franken-bird, was the result of collaboration between the F-35 Joint Program Office, Ogden Air Force Base, the 388 Fighter Wing and Lockheed Martin. The restoration process required the development of unique equipment to connect the different parts of the aircraft. The work also involved tasks like rewiring the aircraft, rebuilding the cockpit and installing numerous components. What set this project apart was the fact that mechanics and engineers were faced with a number of tasks they had never previously encountered, which allowed them to make significant improvements to the restoration and upgrading process for other fighter jets. Many of the methods developed during this project could serve as the basis for future aircraft repairs in the event of damage. When we received the aircraft, it was almost an empty shell. We had to tackle many new tasks, said the specialists. This allowed them to provide valuable feedback for updating the technical documentation, which will now be used by all technicians when installing and testing new components. Additionally, the project proved to be extremely cost-effective for the U.S. Air Force. The restoration cost less than $6 million, while the price of a new F-35A exceeds $80 million. After a successful test flight, the aircraft was sent to Lockheed Martin for final certification, after which it will return to service with the U.S. Air Force. In 2023, it was also reported that South Korea had written off a damaged F-35 fighter jet after it collided with a bird.